Hey guys, in this video I will show you how you can fix this Rockstar error. So without further ado, let's get started. First of all, make sure that you don't use any VPN on your computer. So go to settings, then go to internet connection, network internet, VPN, and make sure that any of the VPN is not connected because it can cause the issue. Again, next step what you need to do here is to go to settings again, go to a system, or not system, time and language, then date and time, and make sure your time and language is synced. So make sure time zone is the right one that you use. Make sure set time automatically these settings is selected. Then what you need to do here is to sync now, and then make sure that every time zone here is, as you can see here, synced. Then what you need to do here is to go to language and region, and then country of region, you need to select United States or UK. So go here and then select United States here. Should be somewhere here. Here, select United States, then maybe restart your computer and look if the problem persists or not. And if the problem persists, try to link and unlink your Rockstar account. I have the video, maybe it will be in the description below. So we can see how it's done, right? So that's pretty much it.